instance when you feel that you're out of sorts, or you're out of balance, or you're out of alignment, take out time and do nature walks. Nature is very therapeutic. It would help you ease the tension, because you see, everything here is in perfect balance, is in perfect harmony. Unfortunately, we as humans have created so much chaos in our lives that we're sometimes out of attunement or out of alignment. So that is why it's often necessary once in a while to take out time to attune with nature. Stay blessed.